Haven't left work yet, be ready for a change when you go. From when you came this morning and when you're going out tonight, there's definitely a change out there.
20-degree temperature drop in the last hour. This is a significant front, but it's not even the big story right now. The rain that's coming is, I think, going to end up being the biggest story over the weekend, although just in general, it's going to be real ugly for the next couple of days when you combine the rain and the cold. You're looking at the Viper radar right there. We're seeing rain that's finally started forming on the frontal boundary right here up and down I-35. Let's zoom in a little bit. We can actually pick out the front. There it is. You see that little skinny line. Let's look at it one more time as it races ahead of the rain. Right there, you see that? That is the leading edge of the cold front. It has now moved through the Austin metro area and is now headed down through our southeastern counties and will be clearing the area very quickly as this front is even ahead of schedule. You see a lot of blues and greens there. That's mainly light rain. The yellows and reds are some more moderate downpours of rain, and this is just the beginning of what may be several days of rainfall in our area. And a very colorful local temperature map this afternoon. That tells you that there is a very great temperature contrast across the area. The front has not made it down to Fayette County yet, so you're still 73 in LaGrange, 73 in Flatonia. Enjoy these next few minutes, though, because you're about to see the front, too. At last report, still 72 in Bastrop, but the front's dropped it to 57 now in the city, 57 at the airport, 52 in Georgetown, 46 in Lampasas, 49 degrees up in San Saba. So the front racing through the area at the present time, but the upper level low is still situated back here way to the west over New Mexico. And our new computer model guidance indicates that, unlike yesterday when we talked about the low splitting into two, it's not going to do that after all, but it's not going to change things, because what's going to happen is it is just going to stay organized as one large low pressure area. And look at that thing. Spins around, even backs up a little bit, but stays west of us in the prime position for us to continue to have impulses that will create widespread rain. This is Saturday evening now. This low does not kick out until Sunday. And so we will have a good chance of rain all the way until that happens, which is some point during the day on Sunday. Let's talk about the specifics here. The rain likely to increase a little bit overnight, patchy light rain behind the front. We may see a break tomorrow. It'll just be cloudy. We'll have some dry air blowing in on these gusty north winds tonight. But then the atmosphere will begin to moisten up again above the shallow, colder air mass. And that's when we begin to see more rain tomorrow afternoon early. Then we may see a little break, windy and chilly through tomorrow night. But then on Saturday morning, the rain really increases again. Maybe some embedded isolated thunderstorms through the day on Saturday. And then we rewound back to Friday, but you've got the idea. That could continue on through at least Sunday morning. Let's go on to the rainfall graphic here. The severe weather threat, by the way, is shifting east very rapidly, already out of the metro area. These are our forecast rainfall totals. This hasn't changed much. We still think 1.5 to 2 inches in the hill country, 2 to 3 inches possible in the Austin metro area through our eastern counties, 3 to 4 to the northeast. We did trend this down just a little bit, but we're still likely to get a couple inches out of this thing by Sunday. Light rain 57 in the city, cloudy 57 out at the airport. North winds 15 to 24 miles per hour. They're going to gust to 35. Oak high. Everything else medium or low. The Willow. A lot of stuff out there today, but it's about to be rained out. Here are the lows tonight. All right, now look at the highs tomorrow. Don't change much. We may not make it out of the 40s tomorrow. It is not going to be a pretty day. Tonight, rain showers, thunderstorms, 44, north wind 10 to 20 tomorrow. Again, 49, may not make it out of the 40s with the patchy light rain tomorrow. On Saturday, it is going to rain. On Sunday, at least Sunday morning, probably still see some rain, some thunderstorms. Daylight saving time will begin. Then we'll get a warm air mass next week, but it'll be a little muggy and could see some rain toward the end of next week, too.